Okay, now this is a class 1 cavity. So what is lobe technique, as I was saying earlier? So we put the cusp one by one. So we put the palatal cusp, and then buccal cusp, and then to the sides, the marginal raised sides for premolar. And so we put them obliquely. So the increments will go in oblique fashion, and then there will be cusp and the groove. So the lobes will actually make you fissure. You don't make it later on artificially. So there is your blob of composite. And then when we are doing it in an oblique fashion. So see how it's going obliquely on the central groove here, and then it's making the cusp here. So in this situation, the paddle pusher is really good. So this is your paddle pusher, and so that's my cusp bridge and the cusp bridge. Sorry, the cusp. There you go. And then you follow that marginal ridge. Sorry, the central groove. The composite is setting very fast because of the light. You can also use Mortensen plugger, but I like the paddle. And then make sure you're following that central groove and cure.